The first light of dawn paints the sky. A soft golden hue washes over Delhi. It illuminates a majestic archway. This is India Gate, a monument to India's brave soldiers. It stands tall and proud against the awakening city. The monument's silhouette is striking. It evokes a sense of solemnity and pride. India Gate is more than just a structure. It is a symbol of sacrifice, a testament to valor. Each stone whispers tales of courage. India Gate was built to honor a solemn promise. This iconic structure stands as a testament to the bravery and sacrifice of countless soldiers who laid down their lives for the nation. It is not just a monument, but a symbol of the enduring spirit of India. It commemorates the sacrifice of Indian soldiers. Each name inscribed on its walls tells a story of valor and dedication. These soldiers came from diverse backgrounds, united by their love for the country and their willingness to protect it at all costs. These brave soldiers fought in World War I. They faced unimaginable hardships and dangers on foreign lands, far from their homes and loved ones. Their courage and resilience in the face of adversity are remembered and honored through this monument. They also fought in the Third Afghan War. This conflict further tested their mettle and determination. The stories of their bravery during these tumultuous times continue to inspire generations. Their courage echoed across the battlefields. The legacy of their heroism is etched in the annals of history, serving as a beacon of hope and strength for the nation. The monument's foundation stone was laid in 1921. The construction of India Gate was a monumental task, reflecting the collective effort and dedication of the people involved. It was a time of both grief and gratitude. The nation mourned the loss of its brave sons, yet there was a profound sense of pride and thankfulness for their sacrifices. The war had taken a heavy toll. Families were left grieving, and the nation bore the scars of conflict. Yet amidst the sorrow there was a resolve to honor the fallen and remember their contributions. Yet India stood tall, remembering its heroes. The monument became a place of pilgrimage for those who wished to pay their respects and reflect on the sacrifices made for the nation's freedom. India Gate became a symbol of their unwavering spirit. It stands as a reminder of the resilience and strength of the Indian people, a beacon of hope and a tribute to the indomitable spirit of the nation. Sir Edwin Lutyens designed India Gate. He was a renowned British architect. He envisioned a grand archway. It was to be a timeless tribute. The monument's design is both imposing and elegant. The arch stands 42 meters high. It is made of sandstone. The names of over 80,000 soldiers are inscribed on its surface. These names are a poignant reminder of the cost of freedom. They are etched in stone, forever remembered. Section 4. The Eternal Flame. This chapter delves into the heart of India's tribute to its fallen heroes. Beneath the grand archway of India Gate burns the Amar Jawan Jyoti, a flame that never dies. It is the eternal flame, a symbol of perpetual remembrance. It was lit in 1971, following the Indo-Pakistani War. The flame stands as a tribute to the brave soldiers who laid down their lives during the war. Their names are inscribed on the walls of India Gate, forever etched in history. The Amar Jawan Jyoti is more than just a flame. It is a powerful symbol of sacrifice and valor. It embodies the spirit of the Indian soldier who stands guard over the nation. It represents the unwavering spirit and dedication of the Indian soldier, who is always ready to defend the country no matter the cost. The flame burns day and night through all seasons and weather, signifying the eternal vigilance of the armed forces. It is a beacon of hope and a source of inspiration for all who visit. People come from far and wide to pay their respects and light candles in memory of the fallen. The Amar Jawan Jyoti is a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made for our freedom. It serves as a constant reminder of the price of liberty and the bravery of those who protect it. Section 5. A Nation's Heart. India Gate is a place of national pride. It is a popular gathering spot. Families come here for picnics, children run and play. The monument's lawns are a sea of activity. In the evenings, India Gate is illuminated. It creates a breathtaking spectacle. The monument becomes a canvas of light and color. People from all walks of life gather here. They come to reflect, to remember, to celebrate. Section 6. India Gate, an enduring legacy. This iconic structure, standing tall in the heart of New Delhi, is not just a piece of architecture. India Gate is more than just a monument. It is a living testament to the history and resilience of a nation. It is a symbol of India's indomitable spirit, the spirit that has withstood the test of time and adversity. It is a reminder of the sacrifices made for our freedom. Each name inscribed on its walls tells a story of bravery and valor. It is a place of national unity, a place where people from all walks of life come together to pay their respects. Standing before India Gate, one feels a surge of emotion. The weight of history and the significance of the sacrifices made are palpable. It is a feeling of gratitude, of pride, of awe, a deep sense of connection to the past and hope for the future. The monument stands as a testament to the courage of Indian soldiers. Their bravery and dedication are etched in every stone. Their legacy lives on, inspiring generations to come. It serves as a constant reminder of the price of freedom and the importance of unity. As the sun sets behind India Gate, it casts a golden glow symbolizing the enduring legacy of those who came before us.